Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I received lots of love on my previous nail video and lots of you guys have requested me to make a new one. So here's another Korean nail design tutorial. I've already prepped my nails and applied base coat. If you want to see a tutorial on how I did it, you can watch my previous nail video, which I will link on the description box. So after prepping the nails, I applied translucent milky pink gel polish and I will cure it for 1 minute and do 2 more coats of this polish. On the other nails, I applied 2 coats of nude gel polish. Don't forget to apply a thin layer and cure it every after coat. For the first nail design, I'm taking the nude polish and apply it on the tip of the nail that has the milky pink polish. To get the gradient effect, I'm using a stiff brush and I'm dabbing it across the nude polish. Once you're satisfied with the design, you can now cure it for 30 to 60 seconds. I repeat the process 2 times to get a more opaque color. Next, I apply a clear polish for the jewels to stick to. And then I'm taking some crushed shells, which you can get from any nail art store, and place the shells on the tip of the gradient nail. After that, I take some tiny gold nail jewels and apply 2 to 3 on the same nail. Just before curing it, I'm also applying some gold flakes to give it a little more extra sparkle. After putting in the design, it's time to cure the nail. To seal the embellished nail, I'm taking a clear gel nail builder and I'm applying it on top. Not only does it seal the jewels, but it also makes the nails harder. It does take time for it to cure since the formula is very thick. I cure it for 2 to 3 minutes to make sure that it's cured all the way. For the next nail design, I'm doing a marble nail. First, I apply a clear gel polish onto the nail, and without curing it, I take a thin brush and a white polish and draw a marble nail design onto the nail. And then I cure it for 30 seconds. I also add some gold foils on the side of the nail. Then I set everything in place with the gel nail builder. Lastly is to apply a non-wipe top coat to finish off the nails. Now your Korean nails are complete. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you like this tutorial and don't forget to subscribe for more K-beauty stuff and feel free to leave me comments or requests on my YouTube and Instagram accounts. See you guys in the next video.